I was backstage at the UK Success Day the other day, and I met a beautiful young family, a single mom and her lovely daughter. I believe the little girl told me she was 8. I'm going to call her Faith, but that's not her real name. I don't want her to get mad at me for embarrassing her in front of the whole world. But I wanted to tell you a little about this family because I recognized a lot of us. And as I listened to them, I thought about the millions of people around the world that have a similar optimistic and hopeful future because of forever, even though they may be coming from a challenging past. As we talked, Faith showed me the notes she'd been taking as she listened to the Success Day speakers. She had written things like, be positive, overcome obstacles, smile from the inside out, work hard, etc. Everything she had written and drawn was positive and motivational. I was inspired by her work and her motivation to take notes and record her positive observations. I was also touched that Forever, through her mom, was teaching her so many powerful and applicable life lessons. All of us have a history and a journey that has brought us into Forever. Our stories are vastly different in detail, but very similar in generalities. Whether for personal development, health, financial, companionship, or all of the above, we are here to enhance our lives and resolve a concern or two. At the Success Day, there were 2 days of meeting, and Faith told me that she would be attending the first day of trainings, and the next day she would be going shopping with her grandma, allowing her mom to focus 100% of the trainings for the second day. Isn't it interesting that many of us have someone that supports us and helps us along our forever journey? I want to say thank you to all of you that are a part of the support group that cheers from the sidelines. Whether it's a friend, colleague, partner, husband, grandpa, or in Faith's case, grandma, thanks for all you do. Thanks for your support. Faith's mom told me that in the past she had had some tough interactions that had dented her confidence. But now through her new forever relationships, trainings, and increasing income, she is feeling much better about things. I know she is not alone in this, as I have met countless men and women around the world that are rebuilding. And I'm grateful to all of the uplines, crosslines, customers, FBO speakers, and presenters that are willing to help our FBOs around the world feel better about themselves and build their confidence again. There is no better feeling than loving the person in the mirror. Faith's mom told me she was able to give Faith some money for Christmas shopping because she had earned a modest bonus from her Forever activities. I'm so grateful that Forever was able to play a small part in making a family's Christmas a little more magical. Faith's mom has suffered some health and energy challenges in the past, and she mentioned that she was looking better and feeling better. I love our products and know they can help in so many ways. Share them with confidence and belief. You'll be glad you did. Faith's mom let me know that it can be really difficult to build a big business quickly. I think we can all relate to this one. Building a long-term, stable, forever business is not easy and takes time, effort, and sacrifice. But you are building your future, and the effort is worth it. We have seen it pay off for millions around the world. It will for you if you just keep trying. Faith introduced me to her mom's upline. I know this lady very well, and I know that she has not had the easiest of years. But she was there with a smile as big as her heart, doing what she could to help this family. I know she would agree that her life has been blessed equally as she has helped this family. Thanks to all the amazing uplines around the world that sacrifice and risk so much to help others to succeed. Building a brilliant forever business that lasts is too hard to do if you're just in it for the money. The great uplines and successful leaders in forever have motivation factors that are far deeper than bank balances. As I said goodbye to Faith and her mom, they both expressed their gratitude for the forever opportunity. I felt their hope and optimism for the future. It was an awesome feeling. And I'm grateful to them and all of you around the world that have chosen Forever as your vehicle to enhance your lives and the lives of those you love. Our brief meeting inspired me, but I was also a little saddened by the thought that there are still too many families like Faith in the world that do not know anything about Forever. So many would benefit from what we offer. So I want to challenge each of you to do more. Talk to more people, make more phone calls, attend more meetings, share and use more products. I have let all of our country managers, GLT, and staff around the world know that our new goal is to double our sales because I believe in you and I really feel the responsibility of sharing our opportunity with as many people as possible. I am convinced that if we all approach our recruitment as a search for families like Faith and not a search for case credits, we'll be able to double our sales. Many will say not yet, I understand that, but many will say yes. And who knows? One day you'll meet a little girl and her beautiful mother, and I can promise you, when you do, you'll never forget them. I know I won't. Happy New Year.